Hold on.
Front end and touch that way.
Let's see. Yeah, that should be alright. No, that way. The back of the trailer.
Container goes that way.
Alright. This one's like people fly tipping. You want the whole thing in. We ready to go. Just get it for the clear. Saying yes or no. Made a mistake before not checking, and we got a hole up there. This is one of them moments there that you think like I fucked up massively. So here we go again, guys. Have you ever thought about what happens with your rubbish after you're done with it? So an example, your rubbish in the bin, and then the bin man comes and take it, and when they take it, it goes somewhere, but you don't know anything. After that bin man takes that, you don't know where that actually is going. So and not only that, this one's like people fly tipping, things that get left on the floor and all that. When they get picked up, where do they go? It's different methods, and the two I know, burning them in the UK, burying the rubbish as well under the ground, and put them on the sea, which is not the best way to do it. And the other one, put it in a chipper container and chipping it from here somewhere elsewhere. So that's what I'm doing right now. Let's go talk to these guys and let them know that we're here now. So let's go and tell them that we're here. So come on, let's go. I'll show you what they actually do with this. It's quite amazing. So let's go. Always safety. So you got different method to transport the rubbish. After they go in the bin lorry, they get in one of them, which is a walking trailer, and after that they get dropped in that yard. And what they do with it, they pick it up, they pack it up, and they put in one of this. It goes away in 2 ways. Look at this. All right, we're going in. First of all, we have to weigh ourselves, and then we not overloaded or anything when we come out. So everything have to be specific. Everything have to be right before we go on the roads. But we got to clear through. So get on the weighbridge and then go through, and then I show you more or less what I can, so you have an idea. So it ties around some of the corners around there as well, which is the funny thing. It's the fact that I need a seal. I need a seal, even though it's a plastic seal, not a hard seal, to put them on the container, because that way they know if it's been opened or not. It's like nobody is going to open a container which is containing rubbish. So all right, we've been weighed now. This is what happens with it. Look at this. This is what one of the most amazing things that I see about this place is that they drop all the stuff here. He puts it on that shreds everything and gets dropped in there, and then makes it into bundles and put them all over there. It's a little bit of a nightmare. So all the shredded bits are there. So let's see where I'm going. All right, this is a bit like oof. Oh. All right, not a clue where I'm going from here, but believe it or not, all that you see in the front is money. Rubbish is gold in here. Okay, took a tide there. Somebody had hit that before as well. Okay, that's fine. Push this. Let me not trying to run him over. That's the last thing I want to do. All right, more stuff's going on in there, on that side of it. All right, we have arrived now. Kinda. Happy days. All right, we're going in there. All right, just gonna leave it in break. Well, you just wait here? Yeah, all right, fair enough.
That one should be nearly finished.
All right.
And this one and yourself.
All right, okay, not a problem. So I should be all right here?
Yeah, you should be
all right, okay. All right, if you're wondering what I am putting in my trailer, this is it. So I might be able to get a little bit closer so you can see it. That is what it is. Nothing. Rubbish. Da-da-da-da. Should be alright there. So this is what goes in the back of this trailer. This, and I can tell you for sure that that's rock hard. And each one of them, I think it says 2.5 tons. That's a lot. 2.5 tons worth of rubbish. Wow, Jesus. That is about 100 containers there, not even joking. And I tell you what actually happens. I just asked them where they actually send it. Oh, I asked this guy where actually the rubbish goes, and he said after it goes through all the process, collecting it from your house, putting them in the pickup, the bin lorry, paying the guys, the fuel for that lorry, the fuel for the walking trailers to come here. What was the other thing he said? Oh, the process, the rubbish goes in here, and then after that they send it away somewhere elsewhere. It's a lot of money involved in this. So rubbish is actually money, and not 2 pennies, no, loads of money. All right, he's going in first into that, and then we are going next, so we gotta wait. All right, he's leaving now, so all I need a confirmation to come in, so find out. All right, just reversing into that. Seems a little bit of a nightmare, to be honest. A little bit of a blind spots as well. Let's see. Yeah, that should be all right then. I like kind of close on this side, like. Hold on, one sec. Yeah.
I sound a bit further over this way, mate.
That way?
Yeah. The container ones, that's where you need to be.
Alright, okay. Start straight off. Hold on.
And push that way then.
Push it that way a bit.
Yeah. I'll open your door.
Yeah. You want the whole thing in?
Yeah, you come back to about here.
Alright, okay. You know how long more or less it will take to get this? 2 minutes. Well, that's fair enough. Right, I get in. Cheers.
As you go back, mate, just put your left hand down.
Yeah. You want me to push it that way? No.
That way.
That way. The back of the trailer.
The container goes that way.
Alright, okay. Happy days. So we're not taking bundles, which I thought. We're taking little pallets, which are them ones. Yeah, it's going into that, pushing by that. Alright. Yeah, no problem. We got this in, which is the stuff to get it loaded, but made a mistake before not checking, and we got a hole up there. Massive one, can see it better there. So the guys that do work here, making sure that we're alright to load it. If not, I won't get paid for it, because it should be up to me to check the box, and I didn't check it this morning. We ready to go, just getting for the clear, saying yes or no. So goes in there, all that stuff there, pushed in there and dropped in the end there. So it's $3,000 worth of stuff that's gonna go in that container. So they actually finding out if I'm gonna be able to load this. If not, I won't get paid for it. This is one of them moments there that you think like I thought up massively. Alright, can't be loaded. They just confirmed that. You know what? What an absolutely mental. So I push it up all the way down there. Let me just close these doors now, like honestly. But anyway, you know how it works. You know what it is like. You know that this is where all the rubbish go, how it's packed up, what do they do with it, and this is a lot of rubbish, all this, and all the machinery that's involved in this. All right, let's get out of here now. I got all the paperwork, all the stuff it needs, but that's not good enough, and I'm just gonna get out of here. I am like fuming. Let's just get out of here. Go on, lad. I know you've been joking about it, but I will stop the video here. I actually, like, I don't even know if I'm angry at myself or angry at the business. I wouldn't classify this as angry. I would just classify this as a major foot up. That's what I would classify this as. This is why you meant to like slow down and double check all the stuff, but no, I'm always in a rush trying to get everything done. I can do just so much. Jesus. You know what? Anyway, cheers guys for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe, like, and all this. You know what, we're just gonna carry on trucking anyway. I'm gonna get back to the docks, get this box off, reported, and everything I need to do. It's alright. Okay, anyway, cheers guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, like this, may your foot up. God, coming soon. Alright, I was angry when I finished the video, but we're back at it again. Alright, let's have a look how we do this. Woo. And that's getting filled right at the back there. Back and forward, yeah.
My old shovel had 21,500 hours on.
Yeah.
You know, sort of mid to late.
You just done a pre. That was amazing. Oh my god, what's going on in here? Oh, there we go. There we go now. That's it. That's it. We're stuck.